guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna share with you how to make amazing salad Oливье. This is vegan version of Russian potato salad. We make this salad for every holiday and special occasion. Let's see how we make it. For this delicious recipe, we will need 3 pickled cucumbers, parsley, 1 medium onion, 3 boiled potatoes, 2 boiled carrots, half a pound of extra firm tofu, 1 can of sweet peas. Cut your tofu into small cubes. Put them into a plate and sprinkle them with vegan chickenless seasoning salt. Mix it together and let it sit for 20 minutes. Cut your carrots into small cubes and add them into the bowl. Do the same with your potatoes. And add them in. Chop your onions into small cubes. Then do the same for the pickles. Chop your parsley and add them into the bowl. Add sweet peas and tofu. 3 tablespoons of vegan mayonnaise. Add salt and pepper. Mix everything together. Cover it up and put into the refrigerator for 2 hours. Now it's time to serve. Sprinkle with nutritional yeast. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this video and want to see many more delicious recipes, go ahead and like, comment and subscribe. We will see you in the next one.